Okay, let's give reading a Vernier micrometer a try here. I'm going to try to hold my hand as steady as possible so I can rotate the mic for you. I've got a reading set up here, and if we read our standard reading, right now we're at 200 plus 75 and then another 5 thousandths, so that'd be 275 plus 5 is 280. But you can see we're actually a little bit more than 280 thousandths, but we're not quite 281 thousandths. So that means that we need to utilize the vernier scale to figure out how many 10,000ths of an inch between 280 and 281 thousandths we are. So to do that, what we need to do is rotate the micrometer so that we can see our vernier scale. And you'll see that I've got an extra set of lines on the sleeve of my micrometer. Right here. Come on, focus. This extra set of lines is going to help me figure out how many 10,000ths of an inch between the thousandths of an inch markings on the thimble. So what we're looking for here is for a set of lines from the left side on the sleeve matching up with a line from the thimble on the right. And I'm looking for the line, or the pair of lines rather, that looks continuous. You can see that the ones, the 0, the 1, the 2, and the 3 are relatively offset from each other. But if I keep rotating this, the 4 to 12 are really close. And if I keep going, the 5 and the 13 look like they're pretty much lined up end to end, and they almost form a continuous line. And if we come back to my original reading here, you can see that I'm pretty close to the halfway point between 5 and 6. So let me rotate this back up here again. Okay, and so when we find that line or pair of lines that runs continuous from the sleeve to the thimble, all we're going to do is to take the number on the left on the sleeve, which in this case is a 5, and we're going to put it in the 10,000th spot, which would be the 4th place to the right of the decimal. So that means that my measurement here would be 280 thousandths plus 5 10,000ths. So that would make a grand total of 280. So that would make a total measurement of 2,805 10,000ths. Okay? Let's try one more. I'll go ahead, move this to a new dimension and stop it somewhere in between. Okay? So you can see here now, I've got 500 thousandths plus 9 thousandths, so that'd be 509 thousandths, but not quite 510 thousandths yet. But we're going to be awfully close. So if I rotate this up to see my vernier scale, I don't have any matching lines yet, but if I keep rotating, we can see that the 8 and the 20 run pretty continuous from the sleeve to the thimble. So I would take my 8 and put it in the 10,000th spot. So then my total reading would be 5,098 10,000ths of an inch, which would be 0.5098 inches. Hope that helps on reading the vernier scale. Any questions? Come find me in the lab. Thanks for watching.